So now we'll be discussing a topic about command line arguments in Python programming. So what is command line arguments? So we are able to give input as arguments to a program during runtime, that is called command line argument. So in Python we give inputs to your script when it is executed on your terminal on the command prompt. So let us see what are the methods that are used to give command line arguments. Three main methods that can be used is sys.argv, python argparse module, and getOp module. So these three methods can be used in Python to give input during command line. So first one is what we need to know what is called sys module. So sys module is nothing but it is an inbuilt module. When we give this sys module, it will automatically used to perform or invoke your argv function. So command line arguments. What is the purpose of sys.argv is nothing but so it can be able to process or take all the arguments that are being passed and converted into a list. Okay, so all the arguments will be converted and stored as a list. Okay, suppose first one will be your file name, second one will be the first argument, and next argument, and so on. So the argument at index 0 denotes the file name. So in this way your Python sys.rb helps to read all the command line arguments as a string and store it in a list. Next, we will see how you will access. So as I told, everything will be accessed with the help of the list and passed into a list. So sys.rb can be directly invoked when we pass the arguments into a list. Say for example, here first you need to import your import sys module, then call the sys.rb to access all your arguments. So first, suppose if I want to find the length of the arguments that are being passed, suppose I am passing 3 arguments, so len will give you 3. And what are the arguments that are present? That will be accessed using str of sys.rb. See the example here. Suppose this is your file name, which is at index 0. This is at index 1 and this is at index 2. So what will be the output here? The number of arguments is 3 and the argument list you can see here. These are the arguments list that are being passed. Next is your next one, argparse module. So argparse is better compared to the other one or the argv because your argparse helps. It is used for parsing all the command line options. It also helps to give some help messages also. Okay, so it is user friendly interface and gives you automatic help messages. See the example. First we have to import argparse, then parser is equal to argparse dot argument parser. So suppose if I am passing a name argument and printing the name along with the string. So see here args is equal to parser dot parse underscore args. So here we are passing one name as input along with the existing string. So this argparse helps to pass this argument along with that string. So what will be my output? Hello followed by the argument that is being passed. So whatever argument if I am passing here, that can be done with the help of this argparse. So suppose if I am giving -h, it will give information about what are all the arguments that can be passed to this particular script. Say for example, here I can pass one name function. So it will tell me this allows one argument or one argument is mandatory. So likewise it can provide help messages also. Next is the getOpt module. So getOpt module is similar as working with the getOpt function, and it is useful in passing command line arguments where user wants to enter some other options also. We can also give some additional options like file name, string, all other options also I can give you. See for example, import getOpt, import sys. So I am importing my getOpt. So rb is equal to sys.rb. So again we are using this rb. So sys.rb, first one colon denotes excluding the file name, take all other inputs. Okay. and then you are passing here. So H denotes the help, M denotes the value, and these are the flags, and this is the input string. So I'm going to print my arguments along with the positional arguments, and if there is any error, print an error message also. See here I'm passing here hyphen M1 hyphen H help A B C. So I'm passing all these things. So first this one will be my first set of option, and this will be my next arguments or the input arguments that is being passed. So that will be given as output. Since this is not going to generate any error, it will not enter the except clause. So these are the three techniques that can be used to perform command line arguments. So advantages, V is simple to use, argparse is an advanced parsing method, and getTalk module provides many options, and each can be mapped with the arguments. Thank you.